Did a little bit more work on the bird. Added some feathers around the front of the bird there. Pretty colorful feathers. I'm not sure you'll be able to see that, but I also added some red feathers on the tail, extending the tail, which helps with the accent of the movement. I also added eyes, which was probably the biggest challenge, making them small, not too large. I'm not sure that I'll keep them on there. I might change them up for black glass eyes, which might look a lot more realistic, but a lot of the German cage birds have these sort of white with black dot eyes, or yellow with a black dot in the center, which I can probably fabricate. But let's see how he's moving now. I improved his action, and I'll keep it as a secret, but see now that his beak is moving quite a bit more than before. I got this nice new shirt from my sister for Christmas. It's quite a nice song, actually. It's sort of grown on me. I might get rid of the feathers on the front, but until I have yellow feathers, I won't be getting rid of them. It sort of looks cartoonish in a way, but I think it's a pretty good job for restoration. And he does keep an eye on you with these eyes now. They are small. I'm pretty sure that these beaks are actual real beaks from birds as well. Looking inside, there's serrations on the edge of the beak itself, and as it winds down, it doesn't have any more sound at the last bit, but moving quite well, and the beak does quite well with the synchronization with the sound. So there you go, a little fixed bird cage. I've got a couple coming that are pretty disheveled, so we'll be doing a full cosmetic on the birds. Hopefully we won't break them while we're working on them. See ya.